Now we will solve exercise 1.5 question number 2. So part A, that is 2 cot of x plus 1 is equals to negative 1. 2 cot x is equals to minus 1 minus 1, that would become minus 2. Dividing it by 2 on both sides. So we have cot x is equals to negative 1. We know that cot of x is equals to 1 over tan of x. So I would replace cot x with tan x is equals to negative 1. Now I would take the reciprocal. So tan of x would be equals to negative 1. Now I would simplify. So tan of x is equals to negative 1. We will find the basic angle. We'll take tan inverse of 1, not the negative 1. I told you before, this negative 1 tell us the quadrant. So tan is negative in second quadrant and the fourth quadrant. So now we will take tan inverse of 1 by using the calculator. We will got pi by 4. So that is my alpha value or basic angle value. Now we will work for quadrant number 2. So for the quadrant number 2, we know that our x angle would be pi minus alpha. So pi minus pi by 4, that would become 3 pi by 4. And next for the fourth quadrant, that would be x is equals to 2 pi minus pi by 4. So that would become 7 pi by 4. So now these are our two final answers. Move to the next part. In B part, we will write the question 2 sine x plus 3 is equals to 4. So 2 sine x is equals to 4 minus 3. 2 sine x is equals to 1. Sine x is equals to 1 over 2. Now we will find the basic angle alpha. So sine inverse of half. So alpha would become pi over 6. In the next step, we will find the other angles. So we know that the sign is positive. So the positive sign lies in the first and the second quadrant. So I will find the value in the first quadrant. In first quadrant, we know the formula, that is x is equals to alpha. So x would become pi by 6. For second quadrant, we know the formula, that would be x is equals to pi minus alpha. So pi minus pi by 6, that would become 5 pi by 6. So here I verified the answer with calculator. So sine 5 pi by 6 is equals to half. Now for the C part, we would write tan square x minus 3 is equals to 0. So tan square x is equals to 3. Now we will take the square root on both sides. So we have tan of x is equals to plus minus square root of 3. Now I would solve plus root 3 and minus root 3 separately. So we will write tan x is equals to plus root 3 and tan x is equals to minus root 3. Now we will simplify. So first of all, I will take tan x is equals to plus root 3. So we will find basic angle. So tan inverse of root 3. Let me check by using the calculator. So here we will find shift tan inverse square root of 3. That is pi by 3. So let me write. Now we know that the tan is positive in quadrant number 1 and quadrant number 3. So now we will find the other possible angles. So for first quadrant, x would become equals to alpha, that is pi by 3. For third quadrant, we know that x would be equals to pi plus alpha. So pi plus pi by 3. So that would become 4 pi by 3. I will verify tan 4 pi by 3. So here you can see that the tan 4 pi by 3 is equals to square root of 3. Now I will simplify the next part, that is tan x of minus root 3. So now we will find the basic angle. So we will take tan inverse of again square root of 3, that the answer would become pi by 3. So this negative sign tell us about the quadrant, and the quadrant number, it would lie in quadrant number 2 and the quadrant number 4. So now I will work for the quadrant number 2. In quadrant number 2, we know that the x value would become pi minus alpha. So pi minus pi by 3, that would become 2 pi by 3. And for the fourth quad, we have x is equals to 2 pi minus alpha. So 2 pi minus pi by 3, that would become 5 pi by 3. Now I will verify by using the calculator. So here you can see tan 5 pi by 3 is negative root 3. So here is our answer, that is negative root 3. We can also check for 2 pi by 3. So let me check for 2 pi by 3, the same answer I got.